Okay, question 8. So given 4 points A, B, C, D, I'm told the line AB is parallel to CD. So first part is the gradient of AB. So A is the point minus 1, 3. B is the point 1, 7. So the gradient of AB, gradient of the line is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So these coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2. So substitute into that gives me 7 minus 3 over 1 minus minus 1. Top line is 4, double minus a plus, that's 2. So the gradient of AB is 2. Part B wants me to show that K is 5. Now then, what they tell me in the question then is because AB is parallel to CD, the gradients are equal. So that means that the gradient of CD is also equal to 2. Now, coordinates of C is 2 minus 1, D is 5k. So working out the gradient using the formula then. The gradient y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So that's k minus minus 1 over 5 minus 2. So that gives me k plus 1 on top and 3 on the bottom. Now then, I know that that gradient is equal to 2, so I form an equation. So k plus 1 over 3 is equal to 2. Take the 3 up. K plus 1 is 2 times 3. K plus 1 is 6. So k is 6, take away 1, which is 5. Because they give you the answer k equals 5, you need to put all the detail if you're working in. Okay. In fact, when you give the answer, you tend to have to show more workings out than you would otherwise. Okay, part C tells me the line L the line L is perpendicular to CD and passes through A. So the line L, it passes through A, so it goes through the point minus 1, 3, and it's perpendicular to CD. Okay, now the gradient of CD is equal to 2, therefore the perpendicular gradient, okay, flip that, so I write 2 as 2 over 1, flip the 2 over 1 over, which is 1 over 2, and change the sign. So L is the line which passes through minus 1, 3, that's x1, y1, with the gradient m equal to minus a half. So the equation of the line then is y minus y1 over x minus x1 equals m. So sub in, that's y minus 3 over x minus minus 1 equals m, which is minus a half. So that's y minus 3 over, double minus on the bottom line, that goes to plus x plus 1 equals minus a half. Because I got a fraction, bracket off the x and y terms, and then cross multiply. So it's 2 bracket y minus 3 equals minus 1 bracket x plus 1. Expand the bracket, that's 2y minus 6 minus x minus 1. So 2y is equal to minus x minus 1, add 6, minus 6 going to plus 6. So 2y is equal to minus x, and minus 1 add 6 is plus 5. So looking at the format in which they give it to me in the question, okay, which is there. So I'll just bring everything over onto the left hand side. So x minus x becomes plus x, 2y is already there, so plus 2y, and plus 5 on the left becomes minus 5. So plus 5 on the right becomes minus 5 on the left. And there's the equation of the line in the format which they wanted. And then to do part D, the line L intersects the line CD at the point E. Okay, so line L then. Line L is x plus 2y minus 5 equals 0. Intersects the line CD. So I need the equation of the line CD, because to find the point of intersection I need to solve the two equations simultaneously. So coordinates of C is 2 minus 1. Coordinates of D is 5k, and we've shown k is 5, so that's 5, 5. So x1, y1, x2, y2, and the equation of a line is y minus y1 over x minus x1, y2. Okay, there's the equation of the line passing through 2 points. So substituting what I got in then, so put it back here again. C is 2 and minus 1, D is 5, 5. That's my x1, y1, x2, y2, and my formula. And substitute it in, so that's y take away minus 1 over x take away 2 is y2, that's 5 minus 1 over 5 minus 2. That's y plus 1 over x minus 2 is equal to 6 over 3. 6 over 3 cancels down to 2. So take the x minus 2 over. Let's use a bracket there. So y plus 1 is 2x minus 4. So y is equal to 2x minus 4 minus 1, which is 2x minus 5. So that's the equation of CD. And to find E, it's the intersection of this line with the line L, which was x plus 2y minus 5 equals 0. So I have to solve those two simultaneously. I can do this one by substitution because I got a y on its own. So y is 2x minus 5, and then if I substitute that into L, whenever I see a y I put a 2x minus 5. I got x plus 2 lots of y, which is 2x minus 5 minus 5 equals 0. Expand the bracket, 2 lots of 2x is 4x, minus 2 lots of 5 is 10. So that's 5x minus 15 equals 0. 5x equals 15, x is equal to 3. And then to find the corresponding value of y, sub x equals 3 into my y. So if x is 3, y is 2 lots of 3, I'm substituting into here, 2 lots of 3 minus 5, so y is 6, take away 5, so y equals 1. So the coordinates of E is 3, 1.